Next is the ebook formatting tools. So here we are going to be looking at some of the tools we could use or methods we could use to format our book. So the first thing on the list will be to use WP or Google Docs. WP or Google Docs. You can use that particular software to format your ebook. That's the first one. Then the second one, you can use all file converter. All file converter. Now this helps to convert your book in whatever format it is to the format that you're interested in. This can convert from any form of format to another. So it's very, very good. It's very, very good. Then we have the third one. Use the Kindle Create software. So if the platform for your publishing is Amazon, then you can use the Kindle Create software to do your formatting. This is highly recommended if you are working with Amazon. Then if you find this particular process difficult, then you can hire a professional at a very, very small fee. You can hire a professional to help you with the ebook formatting at a very small fee. So you can just contact a professional from either fiverr.com or upwork.com. You see freelancer who can help with ebook formatting. So these are ways by which you can get your ebook formatted. So either using the tools or you get a professional. The aim is that the work is done. All right.